Got a few ripe bananas laying around? Why don't you make the best banana bread you've ever had? Here's everything you'll need. You can pause if needed, or look in the video description for another list of everything. Start out by peeling and mashing your bananas. I like to use a bowl and a fork, but as long as the bananas end up mashed, you can do whatever you like. Then, add your butter and your sugar to a mixing bowl and mix until combined. You'll want it to be a soft and fluffy texture. My camera decided not to focus, so don't worry if it's not perfect. I've never had an issue with it. Once your butter and sugar are combined, add your mashed bananas and eggs and mix again. Now in another bowl, add your flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk together. Add the dry ingredients we just mixed into your batter and mix until combined. Grease a bread pan and pour your batter into the pan. Try not to fill it more than halfway to make sure nothing overflows while baking. Bake this for 60 minutes at 350 degrees. Once done, let everything cool on a wire rack if available for at least 10 minutes before serving. If you like this video, let me know by liking the video and subscribing. I have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I would love to see all of you be a part of that journey. Thank you for watching.